Question 1. Which of the following technologies are used in cellular networks? A. Ethernet, B. CDMA, C. CSMACA, D. POTS. Correct answer? B. CDMA. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access, is a technology widely used in cellular networks that enables multiple users to use the same frequency by assigning each call a distinct code, which enhances network capacity and reduces interference. Question 2. David is a network administrator in his company. He has set up OSPF on a router that has both physical and logical interfaces. Which of the following factors will determine the router ID? A. The highest IP address of any interface. B. The highest IP address of any logical interface. C. The highest IP address of any physical interface. D. The lowest IP address of any logical interface. Correct answer. B. The highest IP address of any logical interface. In OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, the router ID is selected based on the following priority order. 1. If a router ID is manually configured, it will be used. 2. If no manual router ID is set, the highest IP address of any loopback logical interface is chosen. 3. If no loopback interfaces are available, the highest IP address of any active physical interface is used. Given that Michael's router has both physical and logical interfaces, and assuming a loopback interface is available, OSPF will choose the highest IP address from the loopback interface as the router ID. This ensures greater stability, since loopback interfaces are less likely to go down compared to physical interfaces, making them the preferred choice for OSPF router ID selection. Question 3. Rose needs to install memory that can detect and correct errors. Which type of memory should she buy? A. Parity memory. B. Non-parity memory. C. ECC. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. ECC. ECC, Error Correcting Code. Memory is built to identify and fix single-bit memory errors, providing enhanced reliability and stability. It is typically used in servers and other critical computing environments where maintaining data integrity is crucial. Unlike parity memory, which can only detect errors without correcting them, ECC memory offers an extra level of protection against data corruption. Question 4. Which protocol offers TCP/IP services such as IP addresses, subnet masks, default gateways, and DNS server information to hosts on a network? A. SMTP. B. SNMP. C. DHCP. D. DNS. Correct answer, C. DHCP. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, automatically assigns IP configuration settings to devices within a network. By dynamically delivering key network parameters, it streamlines network management, removes the need for manual setup, and minimizes the risk of configuration errors. Question 5. The network administrator plans to purchase fiber optic cable capable of supporting the maximum speed over long distances. Which type of fiber should they select? A. Full duplex. B. Multi-mode. C. Single mode. D. Half duplex. Correct answer, C. Single mode. Single mode fiber is ideal for high-speed data transmission across long distances. It features a narrow core and uses a single light path, which reduces signal loss and enables longer transmission ranges than multimode fiber. Question 6. To meet the requirements for deploying a new wireless badging system in a hospital network, what should the technician do to make sure the system uses a dedicated SSID, runs at low power, and achieves 99.9% coverage across the facility? A. Modify the antenna types. B. Deploy more wireless access points. C. Use external antennas. D. Reposition WEPs closer to densely occupied areas. Correct answer? B. Deploy more wireless access points. Adding more wireless access points extends coverage while keeping transmission power low. This provides the badging system with consistent connectivity throughout the hospital, minimizes interference, and ensures the goal of near-complete coverage is achieved. Question 7. Which option below replaces traditional physical network devices with virtualized machines? A. NFV. B. Hypervisor. C. VM replication. D. Media converter. Correct answer. A. NFV. Network functions. Virtualization allows traditional physical network devices, like routers and firewalls, to be replaced with virtualized functions running on standard hardware. This method enhances scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness by delivering network services as software-based solutions. Question 8. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is a connection-based protocol that uses a three-way handshake to establish communication. It also handles lost packet retransmission, flow control, and reordering of out-of-sequence packets. A. True. B. False. Correct answer? B. False. UDP is a connectionless protocol, which means it doesn't perform a handshake to set up a connection. Unlike TCP, it lacks features such as packet retransmission, flow control, and sequencing, resulting in faster data transmission but with less reliability. Question 9. What is the term for the switching technique that breaks data into packets before transmission? A. Packet switching. B. Message switching. C. Network switching. D. Circuit switching. Correct answer? A. Packet switching. Packet switching is a technique used in contemporary networks where data is broken down into packets and transmitted independently over the network. These packets may travel via various paths and are reassembled at the destination, enhancing bandwidth utilization and boosting efficiency. Question 10. To improve speed and fault tolerance when connecting two switches, which protocol should a network technician use? A. BGP. B. LACP. C. LLDP. D. SIA. Correct answer. B. LACP. LACP, Link Aggregation Control Protocol, allows multiple physical links to be combined into a single logical connection, enhancing bandwidth and offering redundancy in the event that one link fails. Question 11. Which protocol addresses switching loops? A. FTP. B. STP. C. Ethernet. D. SAT. Correct answer? B. STP. STP, Spanning Tree Protocol, is used to prevent switching loops by automatically blocking redundant paths in a network, ensuring a stable and efficient flow of data. Question 12. Which term refers to an emerging field that includes technologies like wearable tech and home automation? A. SoC, B. NFC, C. IoT, D. ESN. Correct answer, C. IoT. The Internet of Things describes a system of connected devices, such as smart home gadgets, wearable technology, and industrial automation tools, that communicate and share data through the Internet. Question 13. At which layers of the OSI model does a bridge process frames? A. Network, B. Session, C. Transport, D. Data link. Correct answer, D. Data link. A bridge operates at Layer 2, data link layer of the OSI model, where it filters and forwards frames using MAC addresses. It aids in dividing networks into segments, minimizing collisions, and promoting efficient data transfer between those segments. Question 14. Which of the following is a modular network device designed to seamlessly connect different network interfaces? A. Bridge, B. Transceiver, C. Active hub, D. Managed switch. Correct answer, D. Managed switch. A managed switch is a flexible network device designed to efficiently connect multiple network interfaces. It offers advanced capabilities such as VLAN configuration, traffic control, and network monitoring, enabling smooth integration and management of different network segments. Question 15. Which of the following options can be installed to provide a cost-effective Internet access solution for a home user with a single desktop computer seeking connectivity in every room of the house? A. Cat5, B. Cat6, C. Fiber optic, D. Broadband over power line. Correct answer, D. Broadband over power line. Broadband over power line enables Internet data transmission using the existing electrical wiring in a home, offering a budget-friendly and convenient way for users to access connectivity in different rooms without the need for extra cables. Question 16. Routing tables include a metric field that represents the cost of a specific route. Which of the following could be possible values in this field? A. Subnet mask, B. Number of hops, C. MAC address, D. IP address. Correct answer, B. Number of hops. Hop count is a standard metric in routing protocols such as RIP, Routing Information Protocol, that indicates the distance to a destination network. It reflects the number of intermediate routers a packet must pass through to reach its final destination. Question 17. Which of the following devices would be used to manage a corporate WLAN? A. A wireless NAS, B. A wireless bridge, C. A wireless router, D. A wireless controller. Correct answer, D. A wireless controller. A wireless controller is used to centrally oversee multiple access points within an enterprise WLAN, offering capabilities like security management, load distribution, and smooth user roaming across the network. Question 18. Which of the following devices is specifically designed to manage encrypted connections established over an untrusted network, such as the Internet? A. VPN headend, B. Proxy server. C. Distributed switch. D. UTM appliance. Correct answer. A. VPN head-end. A VPN head-end is a specialized server or device that handles and terminates VPN connections, providing secure communication for remote users or locations across an untrusted network. Question 19. When setting up a cable modem in a SOHO, which cable type is the technician most likely to use to connect the modem to the ISP? A. Coaxial. B. Single-mode fiber. C. Cat6e. D. Multimode fiber. Correct answer. A. Coaxial. Coaxial cable is commonly used to provide cable internet access, enabling the modem to connect to the internet service provider's network infrastructure. Question 20. Which of the following options can significantly influence congestion in an Ethernet network? A. Dividing the network into separate VLANs. B. Increasing the number of collision domains. C. Adding more hubs to the network. D. Adding more switches to the network. Correct answer. C. Adding more hubs to the network. Increasing the number of hubs in a network can lead to greater congestion, as hubs broadcast data to all connected devices. This results in more collisions and elevated traffic, which can degrade overall network performance.